Range Rover Sport in for our Pinter Drive Immobiliser. Just going to do a little demo of what we do different to other installers in the UK. So your typical install, vehicle will start, select a gear, the thief will now jump out and the car will roll away. So we wasn't happy with that. It's still, the handbrake's off, it's not in gear, so let's switch this off and make it safe. So this is what we do different. So this time when we start the vehicle will start, but as we select gear, completely shuts it down. Back into park, handbrake's on, completely secure. So it's no roll away at all. Just show you it again. Vehicle starts, in drive, straight back into park, handbrake's just come on. So the handbrake's been applied, it's put it back into park, we're completely safe. No rolling away. So this is what we do different over everybody else in the UK. This is our pro version. As you can hear, it's ringing our phone. This alerts you that it's been stolen, so it's an extra feature with the pro upgrades. Interested in getting your vehicle secured, give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.